Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Astha. I hope you guys are doing great. Sorry guys, I was inactive for a long time. I know it was my mistake. I had a lot of plans in my mind that I'm gonna make a Christmas vlog, I'm gonna make a New Year vlog, but I don't know. I planned them and there was no time for shooting anything, so I didn't shoot that. But now I'm promising you that I'm gonna be active and I'm gonna shoot video every Sunday. Okay, so there will be a new video every Sunday, I promise you guys, and there will be very unique content coming on your way. So today I'm gonna do is what's on my phone. So basically I did this 2 years back in 2020 when I bought this phone, but literally I changed a lot of things in this phone, so I thought to do a new type of what's on my phone. I hope you're gonna like this. So without any further ways, let's get into the video. Basically, I had this unicorn phone cover on my phone. I have a lot of phone covers with me. I just change them according to my mood. It's like a kitten cover with me. I have this Minnie Mouse cover with me. Then I have two I have this one with me. I also have one more. Wait a second. I have a tons of yeah, I had one, but it's not. Okay, I have five covers with me right now. I picked this one. On my home page, there is a Sai Baba pic. I'm gonna put a screenshot here so that it will be easy for you guys to know how my homepage actually looks. Sorry, lock screen looks. Also, I my phone is Oppo Reno 3 Pro 8. If you don't know, screenshot. Okay, let me wait. Let me open the screen recording. Okay, so this is my home screen. It's a very purple aesthetic wallpaper. From very long I want to be an aesthetic person. I am so clumsy. Just look at the back of me. I didn't clean my room. I thought just leave it like that only. Okay, so this is my main page. All the apps on the front page is the apps which are pre-installed and I can't delete them or I can't do anything with them. So these all the apps are pre-installed. So in the Google section, I have YouTube, which is used every day. So I am a person who love watching YouTube. So on the first page, only the YouTube section is used every day. Okay, so when I opened the YouTube, you can see I was listening to AP Dillon new song. I love his song. So yeah, then this is my home page. This is my new channel, Clueless Gamer. You can subscribe to this if you want. If you are into gaming, just go and subscribe to this channel. I haven't posted anything yet on this channel, but yeah, I'm still gonna post something very interesting on this. Then I have my channel too. This is my channel, guys. If you haven't subscribed me, just go and subscribe. Okay, then on the second page, you can see there are shopping apps. There are Myntra, Urbanic, Zara, H&M, and Nykaa. Mostly, I buy from Myntra and Urbanic because I love these both apps. Also, for makeup, I use Nykaa because I'm into makeup. Then I have this editing folder. The most used editing app from here is Vita. I use Vita a lot. Then I use Canva for my thumbnails. Then I use Polish for my photo pictures editing. Vialo and Body Video Maker are very unusual for me. Then I have my Spotify. Yeah, this is my library. You believe that I have a lot of playlists. These are my liked songs. I have a mix of Hindi, English, Punjabi, Marathi songs. I love Marathi songs a lot. You know, I am just into them. I love listening to Marathi songs. I love listening to Punjabi songs. I love listening to English songs. And Bollywood is my life. So you're gonna see there are mix of all type of genres. I have retro songs in my playlist. I have latest songs in my playlist. I have 20s 2000 wala playlist. Then I have this pop mix. I listened to this when I was very tired, or I'm doing my workout. So I listen to this pop mix. Then I have this Bollywood dance music because I love Bollywood. Okay, so there are some Bollywood very listenful songs. Yeah. Then I have this girl power karaoke Mehndi. I don't know why I have this Mehndi playlist in my Spotify. Then I have this Instagram trending songs. I don't know why I was listening to this. Then I have Mythpad podcast. I listen to the Mythpad podcast and it's amazing. Then I have these retro songs. I love listening to retro songs. You know, Kishore Kumar and Adi Burman songs are the best. Then I have this Tara Rampam songs. I love Tara Rampam, by the way. I watched this movie and this was so nice. I mean, very nice. You should watch if you haven't watched this movie. This is so nice. After that, I have a playlist which my bestie made. It's long drive playlist. You can listen to this one. Then I have best of B Prague because I love B Prague songs. Then this is story time of Triggered Insan. Yeah, this is my favorite playlist whenever I was going anywhere or I'm traveling. So I listen to this 2000s romantic hits. Falak Tak Chand Sifari, Jashne Bhara. These songs are just so nice. They just hit me at the right place, and that's why I love these songs. Yeah. Also, then I have these education folder which I don't use anyway. Just I had this one with me. Then I have this Pinterest with me. I haven't opened Pinterest since December, so I'm not into Pinterest a lot. On my Pinterest, you can see there are memes, facts, or dressing type of pics, so you can know how what I browse here. Then I have my photos folder. Then I have my music. Actually, I download a lot of songs so that when there is no net, so I can listen to songs because I love music and I can't live without music a single day. So I have a lot of offline songs also. So this is tons of songs here. I don't judge me on why I have Dhule Ka Sehra in my playlist, but I love that song. Okay, I love that song. Okay, now next there you can see there's a widget where it is looking where there is I am focusing on gratitude. So I actually these quotes change every day. So yeah. Then on the third page you can see there is banking. Then there is entertainment. From this entertainment folder I use Snapchat. Okay, so this is my Snapchat. Yeah, hi. These are my friends. I am into streaks, so I make streaks with like 100 of people. Yeah. Then I have Netflix. So Netflix is that thing which I use every day. I watch movies. I watch Bollywood old retro movies like that. Kal ho na ho, kabhi khushi kabhi gum, kuch hota hai, hum saath saath hai, that type of movies. This is my ID. Currently, I was watching Hospital, Spider-Man Far From Home. Actually, I recently watched Spider-Man No Way Home. So I thought to binge watch old movies also. Then I was watching these things. The main thing which I was watching was Hospital. I watched it half. I watched like 30 minutes of movie. But then I thought I was bored because this movie was in Korean and you have to actually just look at the subtitles to know what is happening here. So he was like, because that movie was not available in English. So yeah, I was like, then there is social. This folder, this particular social folder is the most used folder in my phone. I'm very ashamed to say this, but yeah. Then I have Twitter here. I am not at all active on my Twitter, and you can actually see that by my number of followers on Twitter. They are only two. I don't know who are following me. They are just God who are following me here on Twitter. I have my Twitter ID. Then I have my Instagram. The most used app in my phone is Instagram. By the way, this is my ID, Astha Bhatnagar. If you want, so you can follow me here. If you're not following me here, just go and follow me. I post photos, reels, a lot of things here. So yeah, you can follow me. And soon there will be a video Instagram followers control my day. So just go and follow me so that you can control my day. I have like 4 IDs. One is this Clueless Gamer. This is a really new ID I made. You can follow me here also. This is basically a gaming collab of mine, brother and mine. So you can see a lot of games here. So yeah, just follow us on Clueless Gamer Insta page. and YouTube. Then I have this third ID, which is just for posting reels and random stuff. You can follow me here also. Then I have a fashion page, Be Bold with Us, where I post fashion related things. So yeah, that's all about my Instagram. Then I have my WhatsApp. Then I have Telegram. I have Discord. Yeah, I have Discord, and I have only three people here on my Discord: Live Insan, Mitzpat, and Thagesh. Then I have Clubhouse. So basically, if you know that in 2021 there was a trend going on, everyone was on Clubhouse, like everyone. So I thought to download this. Yeah. Okay. Then there is Reflex. So I have a watch of Reflex. That's why you should have a app of that particular watch. That's why I have this. Then I have Truecaller. Then this is my private safe. And you really think that I'm gonna show you this? Then I have this enjoy folder in which there is Asphalt 9, Subway Surf, Granny, CoStar. So basically, CoStar is a horoscope telling app, and it's really tell you everything right. So my today's horoscope was do research to understand what's happening, and that was really true. I had to research to know what was happening today with my day. Then I have these goal quotes: free fire, pretty makeup, dress up, easy for us. Now let me tell you why I have this Asphalt 9 and FF in my phone, because as I told you, I made a channel which is Clueless Gamer. So for gaming you should have games in your phone, right? That's why. Yeah. Then there are two widgets. One is that one girl is watching out from a window, and the second one is there is passport, perfume, camera. This is my last thing. This is a widgets folder, Zomato, faceplay. This is all about my phone, and that's how my video is gonna end. Yeah, I hope you like this, and if you, make sure to give it a thumb, and if you don't, make sure to dislike this video, because your opinion matters a lot. And gonna start a new series where there will be get to know me. So this series I'm gonna make a lot of videos related to me, like assumptions about me, or my sister going through my phone, going undercover and asking about me. So there will be a lot things coming on your way. So make sure to subscribe me if you haven't yet. And yeah, I'm gonna meet you very soon. And if you want a productive day in my life type of videos, or a day in my life type of videos, so make sure to tell me in the comment section. I'm gonna meet you very soon. Till then, bye. Stay safe at your home.